Hello, good morning to all. This is Jim Desai and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going for again a long bike tour to another beautiful place, and you will see it to believe it. I'll keep posting and get back to you soon. Stick around and stay tuned. Cheers. Okay, the ride started right now and I'm going to the meeting point at the Petrol. The time is 6:30. Hi there, I've reached the toll right now, and yes, I'm going to Dew by Ferry for the first time. Excited and hope for the best. So that's my buddy Nishan, and we're going to ride together. A very good fan of mine, and
Good morning.
yeah, looking for how's the ride? Keen to ride?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to this.
Great.
Let's do this.
Yep. Hi guys, this is Tarun, my third rider, and excited. Looking for the ride. Excited?
Super excited.
Okay. So this is my team. Tarun and Nishan, their ride, and that's mine. Excited. Lovely ride. We do have Soul Bazaar. So yeah, good. Wow, what a view. What a beautiful view, man. Lovely view, man. Beautiful. Wow. We're in a bad traffic jam. We're in a horrible traffic jam. Look at the jam. Crazy, man. Madness. All the way. Horrible jam. Horrible traffic jam. My God. The traffic is madness, man. Crazy traffic. Crazy. All trucks. Never have seen this ever before. Horrible traffic. Worst traffic on the way to Hazira. It's all jam all over. Madness, man. Look at madness traffic. Okay, finally we reached Hazira. Finally. My God, the traffic was crazy. Oh, finally we reached. Finally we reached, my God. Oh shit. Okay, we are at Hazira right now. Had some breakfast. Offering acidity, and we have 3.5 hours more to Hazira Port, Surat, and keep posted. Tarun, क्या हुआ बैग को क्या हुआ? His bag का ये thing tore. So we are now doing some jhol, jugaad, whatever you call it. Jugaad. I said jhol. Okay.
Jhol नहीं जुगाड़.
हाँ, sorry जुगाड़. ये फट गया है, तो हम थोड़ा जुगाड़ करेंगे फिर उसे यूज करते हैं. निशांक ठीक है बाइक अभी हमने ये बैग थोड़ा साइड में था तो थोड़ा सीजी ऑफ था, सीजी ऑफ, तो अभी इसको यहाँ दिया है, तो अभी ठीक है. लेट्स सी नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस. Small houses, I love it. Beautiful place, man. I love the job. Lovely road. Very excited right now. What time is 10:30. We are going to Hazira Port. we have stopped from some water and then relaxing. It's getting hot now. We are about 80 kilometers from Surat. So about in 1.5 hours we'll reach Surat. Then relax, have something to eat. Then we go to the ship, and at 3 p.m. we will go to the ship, and 4 is the departure. Hello guys, we've come here for some accessory shop. Nishant wanted to buy some intercom and something for the bike. So I saw a very nice bike here for the first time. So I'll give you a tour of that. Very nice bike. This is the first time it was bike. Very nice. Very well done. Hazira Port, there it is. Hazira Port, lovely. Very excited. The time is almost 3 o'clock. And we are asleep the boat now. Ticket. Now we're seeing tickets now. This is the entry for the ferry. There's the ferry there, and he's checking the tickets. Excited? Okay, bro. Nishant. We are on time. Good. Excited.
Thanks to road.
Huh?
Thanks to Surat road.
Yeah, and your guidance, your navigation. There's the entry. Good. Let's go. Chalo. Go. Excited? How was the ride so far?
Good, nice.
Excited? Yeah.
You want to take photographs here?
There's the main ferry terminal. You can go the entire, like it's like a lounge. Ticket. You know. You know. हाँ इधर अच्छी लाइन टाइल है ना
और करना अच्छे रहो चलिए सर
हाँ लाइन दो टाइट
अब इससे ज़्यादा नहीं होगा सर
ठीक है निकले नहीं ना
नहीं निकले
थैंक यू let's go let's enter let's go there's a lovely ferry. Excited now, going to board soon. It's my very first time, and that's the view. Wow, 4 hours journey in the ferry. Let's go. Lovely. Very good. Excited. bikes are parked now, and we're going on top to the main deck. So I'll show you when I reach there. Wow. Tarun, Nishank. Wow. Lovely, man. That's the main entry. Okay, from there. And we go on top again. The main deck. People are here gathering. We are sitting on the seats now in executive class. So have a look.
Welcome and sit in the
Nishank.
respective seats as smoking class. For your safety,
Nishank, Tarun. Tarun, Nishank.
which use in case of emergency.
Hazira port, if you can see that. That's the Hazira port, if you can see. हेलो भैया, कैसे हो?
बस शांति है,
हाँ
बस बढ़िया, आप बताओ।
बस ठीक है, थैंक यू. We are on the upper deck now, upper deck of the ferry. So yeah. Hello guys, sorry for the delay. Very tired, very tired, very hungry, and the ship is delayed. We were supposed to reach at 8 p.m. and now the time is I think 8:45, and we're still en route, and we're going to reach by 10 scheduled time, given time. And in the meanwhile, let me entertain you. See, I'll show you Gujarati English. Watch. Okay, watch this. Very entertaining. No sitting and sleeping. Sleeping. Instead of sleeping, they mention sleeping. So yeah, okay. I'll get back to you as we roll out with the bikes and let's see what happens for the night.